Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to customize lock screen on your One UI 8 version. By default, when you lock your device, you can see the lock screen clock style, lock screen widgets, lock screen app shortcut, and the lock screen wallpaper. In the latest One UI 8, you can see new lock screen settings: dynamic clock or adaptive clock on the lock screen, and the dynamic wallpaper that will automatically change day by on your device. So to customize the lock screen, long press on the lock screen on your device. Just lock your phone and long press, unlock it. Now here you can see wallpapers option, lock style, widgets, lock screen app shortcut. Let's see one by one. Tap on the wallpaper first. Now here you can see the featured wallpaper. In the dynamic wallpaper, it will automatically set on your device. Dynamic wallpaper, you can see when you tap on it, tap on a style, the dynamic wallpaper change colors over the time. So it will automatically change the wallpaper day by day on your device. So you can set the wallpaper. Again, long press it, unlock it. So set the wallpaper. Now tap on the lock screen clock style. In the latest One UI 8, you can see the new added clock style. This is the new added clock style. You can increase or decrease the size of clock style. If you want to set the adaptive clock style or dynamic clock style, select the first or second option on your device. Now tap on the font and color, and here you can see the dynamic clock style option here. This is the dynamic clock on your device. You can adjust it. That will depend on the wallpaper. So first we set wallpaper also on my device. So tap on the wallpaper. Now select the photo from the wallpaper, like we select this. Tap on a done option. Now here you can see set wallpaper on my lock screen. Now tap on change the color so you can easily read it. Now we set this. Now you can see the dynamic clock, so it will automatically adjust like this. You can see adjust the clock style automatically depend on the wallpaper. Also when you change the wallpaper, it will change the clock style on your device. Just tap on it, you can adjust it like this. Also automatically adjust clock style on your One UI 8 version. So adjust it this clock style on your latest One UI 8 version dynamic clock. Also you can see the lock screen widget. Just tap on it. Here you can add the widget, like we add the device care. Tap on the device care and it will add widget to your lock screen. Also you can change the lock screen app shortcut. Just tap on it, change the shortcut, like here we select the Facebook application from the lock screen quickly access or QR code. So here we use the do not disturb mode. So you can change the lock screen app shortcut also. Also apply different frames on the lock screen wallpaper you want from the list available. So select the frame or adjust the wallpaper you want to set. So it will automatically also change this type of effect. Now tap on a color. You can change the background color like this you want set on your device. After that, tap on a done option. So this is the all available lock screen customization setting on your latest One UI 8 version, like lock screen clock style, lock screen wallpaper, lock screen widget, adaptive clock, dynamic clock, lock screen app shortcut. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.